Okay, here's another tip for you. If you say, oh yeah, I'm not that good cutting in yet, and if you've got masking tape down here, you can still, try to put it in and cut it like that, but don't just put it right in the 45-degree angle, because you're going to load up and you're going to build too much of paint up there, and you're going to pull the paint off or the masking tape off, and it could pull some of your paint off because this is eggshell, not flat, for instance, or your masking tape's not going to come up very easily. And so you want to actually push your paint on flat, so to speak. Okay, but if I do it cutting in, I still want to just cut it in like I didn't have any masking tape there. Okay, but then when I flow it back and forth, I can do it flat ways, right along there. Now, even if you don't cut it in perfectly, when you go back flat, you can get it. Okay, get it as close as you can, and then as you come back, you're doing it flat. You see what I mean? Can you see that if you do it flat like that, you're not going to force the paint in at an angle. You're not going to force too much paint on the wall to run down through there if you got too much of an edge on there for eggshell, semi-gloss, whatever. You see what I mean? So, and then finalize everything with your paintbrush flat going back this way. You can hit the masking tape now because there's not that much paint on there. Do you see what I mean? Okay, well, I hope you learned something, because I want you to be a good painter. And you can be a good painter. It can look like a professional when it's all said and done. When you're all done, you can feel proud for the accomplishment, and you don't have to say, yeah, well, yeah, I'm not a very good painter. I got stuff all over the place. Yeah, I just don't know how to do it any better. Well, you take all these tips into consideration prior to your next paint project, and I know you'll be better at it. Look how I pulled that away from the wall so it didn't stick to the wall. I put the masking tape, that was kind of flimsy from what I had thought before. The dresser was here, so I just pulled a little cord over here. I wrapped it around there, and bingo, I got that off to do my cut in.